All right, hello everybody. Welcome to our project here on marriage around the world. So as always, please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions with this. But what I'm asking you to do is to go to this website, and you're going to choose a country with different wedding traditions, and then in the discussion board below, tell me what country you selected, and then how are their traditions different from the United States. Now you can get 2 extra credit points for each comment that you write on a classmate's posting. Just make sure it's appropriate and connected to what was written. You will not receive extra credit for writing something as simple as I agree or good point or nice work. You need to actually write something in response to what they have written. Okay? So I'll say that again. You can't just get extra credit for writing I agree or good point or I like what you put here. You need to actually comment on what they actually wrote. Okay? The website here it is, Marriage Customs from Around the World. So you'll see there's about 19 different countries for you to choose from. Obviously, the United States is here, but we're not going to choose that one because we live here. But pick a different country than the United States. For example, if you click on Cuba, it'll take you down to a marriage tradition in Cuba, the money dance wedding. You can also click on the link there to learn more about it if you want. But again, some information there as well. All right, so have some fun with this, and we'll talk soon.